Welcome to Sacksteder's. It's winter, it's cold, but we have a beautiful store for you to come in to see that it will inspire you to have a great winter. So why don't you walk through? Our furniture is here. You can buy it. We'll deliver it within 7 days. And of course we have our design service. But how pretty is this? So organic. Beth loves this over here. But come on around here and I'll show you some more things. But if you're looking for lighting, we've got beautiful lamps. You know, heck, it gets dark so early and it doesn't get light till later in the morning. So think about maybe some new lamps. Look around at the lamps that you already have. Beth, what do you think about this lovely time of the year?
It's beautiful. Come in and see our store. All just recently painted, beautiful artwork, lots of accessories and jewelry. We also have clothing coming in from Market in Atlanta, so come in and see us. You'll love it.
Yeah, it's just real pretty, so let me just keep showing you what we have. It's a beautiful sofa here, but don't fall in love with it because we just sold it. We have a lot of different sofas. We've prepared for this little furniture crisis is out there. We have a lot of things that keep continuing coming in. So come on in if you're looking for something special to sit on. Beautiful display cabinet. We have the dining table that goes along with that. That is a piece from Kincaid, or Universal actually. We have a lot of different furniture lines. Here's the dining table. Some real nice chairs with a little bit of that rake back to it. It's got an upholstered seat, go along with any decor. And then Nikki and Jackie with all their beautiful florals. Some great mirrors. These mirrors are great as side pieces, as you see, going along with the lamps that have the glass to them and the brushed gold, which gold is all back in again. On the next hand, they work out really great for in a bathroom. Blue is out there and about. Again, a very neutral sofa. We just added the blue pillows. You can switch those throughout the season. We have a lot of new pillows coming in. These pillows come with this sofa. New tables. Who were these from, Jessica?
These are Universal.
Universal tables. So we have a lot of Universal furniture that came in. They did a good job keeping the product in line. And Sacksteder's, we been in business for 33 years, so we bet on ourselves. We try to have as much product as possible for both locations. Then it pops over to here. Some really nice Sam Moore chairs. They're just nice as a group. You can kind of see how they have all the decorative nail heads. These are just great. We sell a lot of rugs too. I can get my muscles going. Some nice Bernhardt pieces as far as the coffee in the end. Another nice Universal sectional sofa. We have a couple of these in stock. And all our beautiful mirrors. We try to come up with the most unusual pieces. We have these wall pockets over here that I believe Jessica made those. They're really pretty. And those are a great accent for your bathroom, and your living room, and your dining room, just wherever. They're just real cute, easy to hang, one little nail, boop, boop, they're on. This is a nice high top table again with bar stools. Don't be afraid of the lighter color. You can also have these sealed. We have a company here locally that will do this for your chairs, your sofas, and it's all affordable. You can spill red wine on it and doesn't absorb. This is from Kincaid, a real pretty group. They have a certain finish that they do on their tabletops. You can kind of see how this is. It's called Plank Road. On their tabletops, where it is a little more kid-friendly or adult-friendly. Beautiful piece here. Sold it, but I'm going to get another one in. So a lot of this bed, this is the Halston Bed. This one's a queen. We also have it in a king. We have both of those in stock. I have this bed at home. I really like it. It's very neutral. And with the different bedding, this one is sold. But we have new bedding we just ordered in. We were just in Atlanta for 5 days buying all kinds of little goodies. Just different pieces. This is another nice coffee table. This one's on Guesswork. Whoa, whoa. And it moves. Just a small little Cheryl table. And then artwork. Artwork's a big deal. If you don't have beautiful artwork in your home, give it a try. If nothing else, in one room, because it does make a difference. These are cute side panel mirrors. And again, back to the lamps. We all need to see where the heck we're going. Love those mirrors, love those pictures. And it's sunny out today, so that makes it really nice. This is just a real nice setting. Nice chairs again. The ottoman is from Hooker Furniture, blends so nicely with this particular sofa. This sofa, I think, is, let me see who it's from. I think, well, Fairfield. Fairfield Furniture's been around for a long time, and this sofa's from them. That picture from Uttermost. Nice lamps. We sell a lot of just these little stems. If you have a nice space like this at home, come in and we sell just those stems. Love the 3-panel art pieces, because you know you can take up this is a smaller space. At home you can take up a larger space, going up your stairs, or up high in some of the taller ceilings. We sell a lot of desks. This one's from Hooker Furniture. It's the Glam desk. It's a little bit lighter. Nice drawers. Whoops. These little bunching ottomans are kind of cute, you know, so if you really are working at it and maybe one of the kids come in and they got to tell you how much they just don't want to do their homework. You know, they're just nice and easy. Things like this are nice. If you have a lot of people over, you can move them into the great room or anywhere like that. Love all these little wicker chairs. You can use these just as accent chairs. You can use them at the end of your table for your dining, but just kind of gives you that little Bahama feel. And these are really nice. We sell a lot of swivel chairs. These are from Bernhard Furniture. They're all leather. You know, all the detail. This is not something that the kids need to be sitting in doing homework or having Kool-Aid. They're a very pretty chair. Nice colors. Little pillow just to accent. Some of these new wood panels that we just got in, they're from Uttermost. And to hang as a group, or if you wanted to split them if you were trying to accent an area. Again, just another really pretty sofa. Our sofas are very neutral. It's just what's going on in the market right now. And again, you can change your pillows. And it's just how pretty this and the wall color with our design services. We help you with paint color, but how nice that looks along with these lamps. Just nice and simple. And then again, we sell rugs, different companies that we have from. It's kind of hard to see because of that sunshine. This is a color that they're really focusing on this year, of mixing that up to where it's not everything's all gray or beige, just bringing in kind of that caramel tone. You know, the wood balls, that organic feel, like the little places up here, and our other little wall pockets. But you'll see with your different artwork, they're mixing all the gold tones in with the grays and the whites and the silvers. So if you don't know what color that you like or how you want to accent, this would be a nice example of what to do. And I think this is all really sharp over here. Again, they just, well, the girls just made this. Nikki made that one. Beautiful bowl. The big one. It's really pretty with a nice little accent of these chairs from Uttermost. This table is from Hooker. It is sold. We use a lot of table runners. It kind of protects our table, and it just gives it that look. Like now we're going to be going into spring, and so it just freshens it up. And through Christmas, of course, I used a lot of red tones and all of that. Love this disc up here. Just everything about it. Cute little vases. Just once you come in and just take your time and then look to the detail. And a pretty sofa. It is neutral. But anyway, that's again where we're at. And then this is just, these are nice. You can use them against the wall. A little console, we have them done this way, or we have them also from Liberty Furniture that's more wood tone. But they're great. Just those 3 extra seats. You can use them behind a sofa If you're watching television, then again, a little more of the orchids. So that's kind of what we got going on here at Sacksteder's. We have a lot of different leather swivel chairs from Hooker Furniture. And anyway, come see us. Why don't you come in and just relax. So happy winter.